Hi guys, I'm Nagunita. Welcome to my channel Foodies Pal. Morning meals are often infamously described as boring and insipid, right? What if I suggest you a spread that is moderately healthy, or you can make it totally healthy, that can be prepared in a short time but will score high marks in terms of taste and flavor? Sounds wonderful, right? So let's not waste time and break the fast.
For the list of ingredients, please check the description box. Get the right kind of ingredients and measure them carefully, preferably with a digital kitchen scale. For an even better result, use bread flour, as it is typically higher in protein, which will help the gluten to develop better. Make sure that the water is not hot and it is between 100 degree Fahrenheit to 110 degree Fahrenheit. This is a forgiving bread recipe as the ingredient list is basic: flour, yeast, water and salt. However, I have spruced up the recipe by using fats like olive oil and butter, and for added flavor, garlic chili herbs concoction in sparing quantity that produces crisp, crackly exterior and dense, tight, crumb-like interior, but with a more significant mouthful presence and flavor. You can also make a sandwich with it, toast it, or just eat the whole thing with cream cheese. Experiment with a variety of spices and herbs as per your likings. Ensure the dough is covered and placed in a relatively warm room temperature area of 71 degree Fahrenheit to 75 degree Fahrenheit. If the temperature goes above 110 degree Fahrenheit, you can deactivate the yeast. Scoring the top of the loaf allows it to expand and gives a fancy look. Right temperature is the secret key to a better and faster rise before the gluten in the bread and also in the crust has a chance to set. We add water in the oven just before baking the bread to allow the baking dough to spring up at the start of the bake, and thereafter, as steam is formed, the crust develops a sheen crisp layer on the outside. It functions almost like a steam oven that commercial bakers use. Egg muffins are like savory cups of deliciousness. You have no clue till you sink your teeth into one and then crave for another one, and the saga continues. Packed with veggies, eggs, and cheese, if you can cheat, these are filling, irresistible, and fun to serve. You can make it extra spicy or mild depending on your mood. You can add meat, poultry, or even cured fish. The possibilities are endless. By the same logic, use your favorite combination of vegetables and spices. For busy bees, there is a good news. You can refrigerate or even freeze these muffins for later use. Great, right? Cool egg muffins completely, then cover and refrigerate up to 5 days, or place muffins in a freezer bag. Microwave, refrigerated, or frozen uncovered for 20 to 25 or 80 to 90 seconds respectively, or until hot, and serve. If you like the video, please press the like button. And guys, like, share and subscribe. Please press the bell icon to get a notification every time I upload a video. Bye guys, take care.